Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Gifto or GTO token. In today's video, I want to show you a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Gifto token has completed. And by the way, before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me share my previous analysis with you that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 1st of August, when after the previous drop, the price line completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move. And I shared this chart on 1st of August, you can see. And we also had a very nice support of 50 simple moving average. Therefore, I told my members that even though the price line is moved below the potential reversal zone of this guardrail move, but we still have a very strong support here at approximately 2.8 cents. And we also have a very strong support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Therefore, this can be a very high reward and very low risk trading idea. Now we can see at that time it was moving at 3.4 cents, and we had the support of 50 simple moving average at approximately 3 cents, 2.93 cents. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line rallied very well up to 13.8 cents. That is more than 300% move, and then price line again moved down. Now during this move to the upside, to the downside, into the upside, and now the price line again moved down, it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that I shared with my members recently. Let me just show you that move as well. And this is the newly formed guardrail move. And by the way, before this, I shared this another chart with my members in the month of November 2021, when the market was quite bearish. After the November, it was turned quite bearish. We broke out this very big symmetrical triangle, and I told my members that from here we can expect a big pump from 9.4 cents to 12.8 cents. It was moving at 5.3 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied even beyond 12.8 cents. It was again rallied almost at 13 cents. Now, let's move back to this current situation, and here we have a very big harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move formation. Once again, we are moving inside the buying zone or the potential reversal zone. Here we again have a very strong support zone, and the price line is at that support. When I shared at that time, it was moving at that support. And right now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line, after visiting the support, it is gearing up. Right now it has rallied up to 4.4 cents, and our targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this guardrail from 8.5 cents and goes to 12 cents. So once again, we can expect a very big move from here. This was the previous guardrail that I shared back in the month of August, and this is the newly formed guardrail again on the weekly time frame. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we are also gearing up from the support of the 100 weekly simple moving average. In my previous analysis, we had the support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. This time we have the support of the 100 weekly simple moving average. And if we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see that RSI is very close to the 50 value. Once it will be able to cross up this 50, we can expect a massive move, because if we take a look at the previous history, whenever it crosses the 50 value, like here in the month of October, it crossed up the 50 value, we had a very big pump. And before that, it crossed up the 50 here. Back in December 2020, we had a massive pump. So we can expect once it will be able to cross up this level, then we will have another pump. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.